For consulting services, we have a 4-step process that we take folks through. And it starts with a gap analysis, and it's where someone from our team comes and meets with your team, and we look through what you're already doing in your business that makes you your business. Everyone is unique in their size and shape and complexity, so our job is to take your uniqueness and add a customized approach to it and match that back to the standard that you're looking to achieve. For step 2, that's when we take that time together and look at those gaps or those things that you may be doing in your business that we just need to tweak a little bit more towards meeting the standard. And we identify all of those items in an action plan. We take that action plan and tailor it to your timing needs and prioritize those actions, help you assign responsibilities. And from there, we can determine how much you need of us to help you with your project.
We use the action plan as a project management tool. Too many consultants fail because they can't manage the project. They can't manage the scope of all these tasks and helping the client herd everybody's assignments and making sure things get done. We are very successful in the tools and the people and the development of our resources to be successful in managing the project to the timing that we need and achieving the results that we're hired to do.
We can do the heavy lifting or we can do the light lifting for you. And sometimes we have companies that once we work with them on steps 1 and 2, the light bulb goes on and they understand a little bit more, can start to do some things towards their certification efforts, and they call us back when they need more help. And other folks don't have the resources, and that's okay. We can do more of the heavy lifting, and that's when our team then can come back and direct the efforts, roll up their sleeves, get in there with the processes, with the department owners, help you identify solutions, and we get things implemented. In step 3, we also provide a full internal audit of those implementation efforts. And what's nice about our team is we have a depth, we have a bench of folks that we can send someone else in to do your internal audit for those fresh eyes and ears again in what you've implemented and perform that internal audit, and it helps your team feel more comfortable, more at ease, more ready for your external certification efforts. And that's step 4. We can then sit through your external audit with you, or we can come back in afterwards and help you with any findings or improvements that are identified. From a consulting perspective, I always hear from companies when I follow up with them after we've come in to do steps 1 and 2 that it was exactly what they needed. It was exactly the level of coaching, the level of discovery, the level of understanding that they needed to get their project started. And there's companies that they can start doing some things on their own and they're excited about it. And then there's other folks that say, we're so glad we called you because we know we're going to be in good hands. You have the experts, you have the consultants that we need. So it's great to hear that from our clients. What makes SimpleQuE different is that we provide a customized but simple solution to your quality management system needs, whether that be in the consulting services that we provide or the internal audits or training specific to you. It's simple and effective and customized to your business.